Let's talk about keeping things fair for your heirs. It's really common that people's main asset is their home. And a lot of times we in the United States are what we call house rich and otherwise poor. You have a house, you make your mortgage, you don't have a lot of other things in the bank. Your house is your main asset. So what happens if you have more than one child when you die and you want to leave everything you have to your kids? It is a little bit complicated if you leave a home to two people, because then they're both going to own the home. When you leave something to two people like a home, the home can be sold and they can receive the dollar value that they're entitled to, or the home can be divided and basically deeded 50% to one child, 50% to the other, assuming you have two children. The problem with this is that maybe the children don't want to own the house together. Maybe one child can't continue to own the house if they want to because they don't have the money to afford to buy out the other child, in which case the house would have to be sold. This is one example of the ways that it becomes complicated to leave equal things to your heirs based on what you have. There are a number of ways to resolve this problem of like more than one kid getting a home. Things like life insurance can be purchased so that when you pass away, there is adequate funds available for one child to get money and the other child to get the home. That's one of many ways that that can be addressed. I know an attorney who specializes in estate planning on the litigation side, which means that he deals with things after death, meaning families come to him after somebody dies in general to resolve family disputes. He jokingly says that what he does at his firm is figure out who mom loved best. And the reason that he jokes about that is because when mom dies, a lot of times kids argue. Kids feel like they didn't receive things fairly. Many of the clients that I work with are really concerned about their kids feeling that things are fair. So I like to really talk through those things with my clients and make sure that everything is being divided up in as reasonable a way as possible so that feelings aren't hurt and things feel fair, if that's what's important to you. This goes down even to the level of family heirlooms and keepsakes, because you might be surprised to find out that that's where most of the arguments happen. It's not in the $1 million bank account where brothers and sisters end up arguing. It's the tchotchke heirloom that's been in the family since 1928 that tears the family apart. So if you want to spend time and really make sure that the way you're leaving assets to your family is done in a way that will keep family harmony going, it's a good idea to spend time thinking about that. And I'm happy to help you. If you're interested in talking about this further, give me a call.